Hey loves, it's your girl Brianna MUA. I'm back again with another quick hair tutorial. This time I wanted to do the Kashdoll inspired ponytail bob. I actually looked at my girl the $1 Million Babies look and kind of did my own thing as far as recreating this look. But if you'd like to see how I did this, just continue watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is free, only takes a few seconds. Go ahead and thumbs up this video and leave me a comment down below. Hey love, so jumping right on into this video, I've already washed, blown out my hair, and flat ironed it. I've been natural transitioning for the last 1.5 years, and I have a video trimming off my ends. So this is the first time that I've actually flat ironed my hair completely since the transition. But I'm just going ahead and placing my ponytail where I'd like it to be. For this style, I'm going to be using Eco Styler Gel, Ebin edge control, and Got to Be Glued freeze spray. I would recommend like a better type wax or wax stick or something with a little bit more firm action to it, because gel tends to wave my hair up, which I'm sure a lot of you ladies have that issue too, unless you are still getting perms. But which is why I went back over the gel with edge control and freeze spray. So I'm going ahead and pulling out my edges to do later. Then I'm going in with the Ebin edge control for a more firm hold. And then I'm going in with this firm brush to sleek down my edges to perfection. You can see the ponytail's loose, but I'm going ahead and tightening it back up and making sure all hairs are in place. Styles like this make me miss a perm though, y'all. And to mention, I actually broke a nail trying to get this ponytail perfect. You want to make sure the ponytail is extra firm and tight. And then I'm going over that with the freeze spray, so I can make sure everything stays in place. At least, I plan to have this style for at least a week. If you know me, I do not keep a hairstyle. Now I'm going in with more of the Ebin edge control, and I'm going to be sleeking down my edges with the little edge brush flash comb. Swooping those edges, getting them on fleek. And this style was actually a little bit more easier than I thought. I feel like I can do pretty much any style. I just need to take my time. I used to want to do hair growing up, but then I grew out of that and my love for makeup came. But I love to do stuff on my own hair. Pretty much anybody can achieve this style. I just recommend you just take your time. And then I'm just blow drying it down. Make sure everything stays in place. And I'm going to twist the ponytail part of my hair and wrap it into a small neat bun. This is also important to make sure your hair is really flat. But there is another method to do like a weave ponytail where you can leave your actual real hair out and blend it in with the ponytail. My hair used to always be too thick, and you know how the bun would show through. But that's another story for another day. So I'm using the Remy Blue Hair, which is really, really good. My local beauty supply stores sell it buy one get one free. So this is a 1B in a 12-inch, and I just used one bundle or one pack of that. I guess that's a bundle. And then I had some leftover 18-inch that I also added in, which was only for the center part to help conceal the bun from the back. So to attach the bundles, I folded them in half so they were doubled to make this process faster. And I've only used 1, 2 or 3 bobby pins. I used one at the beginning to secure the bundles, and then I wrapped them around tight and continuously to the end. And then at the very end, I used 2 more, to secure the very end. Then I took a short piece of the hair from the back, which ended up not being long enough to wrap around to cover the tracks, and I ended up adding an 18-inch, like a small piece of hair, to make that part thicker, which I'll also show you shortly. But this is the part where I'm just adding the tracks to cover the bun once we actually do the bob. So only a few tracks will do. And then I'm just adding one more. Like I said, I only used a few, just enough to cover. So I'm flipping the rest of that hair back over. And you can see it helps to create fullness as well. I'm just brushing the hair into place, trying to get a feel of how it's going to look. And this is some really sleek, silky hair. So it's perfect for this style. So I pinned the rest of the hair out of the way, and I'm just going to use some freeze spray to hold that band in place as I wrap it around and blow dry it. Alternate between spraying it and blow drying it as I wrap it around to cover the track. This also helps to achieve and hold that heightened look. And this is the part I'm explaining to you guys. It's not long enough to make the band thicker, so I just ended up adding a little piece of the 18-inch track that I had left and ended up adding it to that band to make it thicker, as you can see. And then just to hold the hair in place for the actual bob, I sprayed some freeze spray on that part as well. And then I'm just combing them into place, and then I'm going to hot comb it as well, just to make sure it's fried, dyed, and to the side. So I completely had no clue on what I was doing. So anything after this, just go with the flow. And the scissors were dull as all get out, but I made it work. So I just began cutting and shaping the bob right where my ear ends, right at the bottom. And I just pretty much matched it as best as I could all the way around. And my little diva, one of two, in the background. They want me to start them a channel so bad. I'm working on that. So if you have some little divas, be on the lookout soon. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and pretty much evening up the cut all the way around. As best as I could. And y'all, I'm blind as a bat, so you see me making faces and scrunching up. It's because I can't see and I'm trying to concentrate. But yeah, the cut ended up turning out cute. It looks a little choppy, but once you bump it and finish out the style, it actually ends up looking cute. If you can't see in the back, I recommend you to get like a friend or somebody to help you kind of even it out. But like I said, it ended up turning out cute for just to be something that I'm going to wear for a week or so. I'm just finishing up the cut. And then I'm just going ahead and flat ironing the hair, making everything come together as one. And y'all, this pretty much just sums up the look right here. If you enjoyed this video and like to see more, just leave me some recommendations down below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.